Hello there everybody, welcome back to another video. It's me Joshua from HTML with Joshua, and today I'll be teaching you how to do summaries in Java. So for this I'm going to be using BlueJ, and I'm going to talk to you how are we doing this scanner class that's basically getting information from the user and giving it back to them combined. So to do this, let me just show you what actually scanner is. So I'm going to run the scanner that I've done over here, and I'm just going to show you what it is. So first it tells you to enter your name. So we can just write our name. I'll write Bob over here, and it tells to write our age. I'll write 13, and your sex, that's the gender. So we're going to type male, and then your CGPA. So I'm going to type about 40. Then my mobile number, I'll write some random numbers. And finally, it will give you everything. It will give you everything as your name, your everything, this thing. And to just make it more fun, I just gave this. Thank you for giving your information. It's time for me to hack. That's actually not needed, but anyway, let me just show you how to do this. Let's go to the coding part of this. So in this, what we are going to do, this is the real code that we're going to be doing for this, but before getting to it, I'll be showing you everything step by step. So first thing, you gotta import the scanner class from Java utilities. Then you gotta create the public class that's already over here, that's the scanner class. Then public static void main string args. Okay, first to do this, we want to get some informations from the user. That means we need to get it from the user, each and every information. So for that, first we need to create a new scanner input. That's basically, I'm gonna create a thing called scanner, and I'm gonna make it into SC. So every time I type scan, the SC, that's gonna replace it by a scanner class. So I'm gonna type SC scanner, and I'm gonna make it equal to make this work properly, I'm gonna make it equal to new scanner. Then here I'm gonna type system.in. So now every time I type SC, it just replaces with system.in. So that is it for the scanner thing. Now we'll actually start doing stuff. So first we're gonna write the CGPA name and all the stuff. So first I'll just go with name, then I'm pretty sure you can figure it out because I want to make this video very short. So let's go with name. Name is in string. So we're gonna write, for this reference, I'm gonna write name over here, and I'm gonna write a string because names are in strings. And I'm gonna write name over here like that, string name, and I'm gonna be typing some name such as, so the name that we want to get is actually from the user. So to get it from the user, then paste it back, what we're gonna do is string name, then SC. So after you do this, go for SC, then go to next. And because this is string is in line, so LINE like that, and boom. So that is basically to make the name come over here. So they basically gave the information, and we have the information right now. That is in the variable's name. So next, imagine I also want their phone number or their age. So we can go, age is an integer, so I'm gonna do int, and I'm gonna write the int variable as age. So age, and I'm gonna be writing this the same thing, sc.next line. And because this is age, this is what many people make the mistake. So for string, it was sc.next line. Over here, because it's int, it will be xc.nextInt. And as you might be able to notice, this I is small, but over here I made it into capital. So these small things are very small but very important stuff. So sc.nextInt, and just close it over there. So now we got the information of their name and their age. So after we've got their information of the name and their age, now it's time to print them. So to print them, it's very simple. We're gonna type system.out.println, and then we're gonna be typing in a string that is your name, and over here I'm gonna be typing plus and whatever this is. We stringed it as name, so we're gonna type name like that. The same thing we're gonna be doing over here. So basically we're gonna copy this like that, and after that we're gonna paste it over here like so, and instead of name we're gonna get age. That's the same thing that we are typed over here, age. So this is basically how do you do it, and I will run it for you and show. So I'll compile, I'll go over here, scan class, I'll open and start running this. Okay, so now it's basically asking for the name. So I'm going to type my name. I'm going to type Bob again. Then it's going to ask for my age, which is already asked. I'll write 19. Then it should give your name, that's Bob, and your age, that's 19. So I made a mistake over here. That is very silly. So it's basically, instead of this thing, I just copied it, YOUR and YOUR and name, and here it should be age. So as you might be able to notice over here, I need to give this. It doesn't ask me for my age or my name. To fix this, what I'm gonna do is very simple. So first, before they give out this, I want them to ask my name and my age. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to say the same thing, the system.out.println, but I'm going to be asking for their name this time. So type your name. So I'm going to type enter your name like so. So what I've done is basically now it's asking for my name, then the input, and then the user gives me the name. And then I'm going to write this again over here, but instead of name I'm going to write age. So then the input, the user gives me the age, and then we have the input and we're going to give it over here. So I'm typing this, I'm just teaching you guys this because this is actually a very important part in web development. When you got to get in the sign up pages and all this, you need to know information about your user that is using your service. And then after you get the information about them, you are supposed to do, and if they need something like sign out or something, or they want to look at their information, it's stored in your system. So now as you can see, it says enter your name. I'm going to write my name. I'm going to just write Bob. Enter your age. I'm going to write 13. So then it gives me your name Bob, your age 13. So this is actually a very easy stuff. So, and this is, I just taught this just for simple stuff for web development, which will be very useful for you guys. I think I hope that this video will be very helpful for you guys, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and a like will be very nice. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.